How to fix your internet connection seems unstable error on GCash. So from the error itself, it says your internet connection seems unstable. So one of the first things you can check is if your internet or whatever you're using for connection is stable or not. So you can try changing between networks, use your mobile data to test it out, and take a look at different platforms like, let's say, YouTube or TikTok or Instagram to see if you're lagging from there as well. If you are, then it's most likely going to be your internet connection and you're going to have to fix based on that. You can also go ahead and just try force closing the app. So just get rid of the app, go ahead into your settings, and from here you can search for your apps. We're going to go ahead and search for GCash here, and we're going to go ahead and force restart the app and also clear its cache. So basically do some sort of reset for the app. So go ahead and press on force stop, press on OK, and clear data and press on clear cache. So other than switching connections and doing this, you can also go ahead and update your GCache in your Play Store to see if you're in an outdated version. So go ahead into GCache like so. And if there's an update option, make sure you press on that so you will be in the latest version. And if you're using any, you can turn off any VPNs, private DNS, or any ad blockers or proxy if you use one, because finance apps may fail when traffic is routed differently. You can also try reinstalling the app if you really want to. Just make sure you have your login credentials with you so you won't lose your account and you've already, had everything beforehand. But other than that, you can contact the GCash or Help Center or basically support from there if the issue is something technical, that if you think so. But hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.